Gates open, they're up and racing. Dazzling Cat moving up by the release Gondor. Then followed now by Mr. Kawaisu running in for his perfect time and moving up to take the lead now is Hello Africa. Hello Africa running by the rail to take the lead is Gondor. Down in third, Dazzling Cat. Mr. Kawaisu is running in fourth, followed by Scarlet Velvet, Perfect Time, Apple Splash, and Lovely Tara is running at the tail of the field. Past the last 800, Gondor in command by about a length and a half. Dazzling Cat is already outside, running by the rail. Hello Africa. Down in third, Mr. Kawaisu. Scarlet Velvet closing in fifth. Then comes Perfect Time, Apple Splash, and a long way back to Lovely Tara. As they swing to the last 450, Gondor still leading the field. Hello Africa remains in second, and Dazzling Cat is already outside, moving up. Apple Splash, and by the rail is Scarlet Velvet. With the last 150 more to run, Gondor still leading the field, followed by Hello Africa in second, and moving up by the rail is Scarlet Velvet. Dazzling Cat with the last 50 meters more to run. Gondor, Hello Africa, but it's Gondor winning this race over Hello Africa. Dazzling Cat, then comes Apple Splash, Scarlet Velvet, Perfect Time, Mr. Kawaisu, and Lovely Tara comes in last through all the way.